Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for Neet. I will discuss today biology MCQs with you at regular interval and definitely it will help you to qualify the Neet exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Let's keep this community growing and also feel free to share your thoughts in comment section. The question is, infection of ascaris usually occurs by, option is first option, eating imperfectly cooked pork, tsetse fly, mosquito bite, and last option, drinking water containing eggs of ascaris. The answer will be option 4, drinking water containing eggs of ascaris, because the eggs of the parasite are excreted with the fecal matters of infected person, which can contaminate water, soil of plants. So here the correct answer is drinking water containing eggs of ascaris. Now the next question is, the cell-mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by option 1 B lymphocytes, option 2 T lymphocytes, option 3 erythrocytes and option 4 thrombocytes. The correct answer will be option 2 T lymphocytes, because acquired immunity creates an immunological memory after an initial response to a specific type of pathogen, and it leads to an enhanced response when encountering with that pathogen. The acquired immune system includes both humoral and another cell mediated immunity. Humoral immunity is mediated by macromolecules found in extracellular body fluids such as antibodies. Antibodies are found by specific types of cells called B lymphocytes. Cell-mediated immunity is an immune response that does not involve the antibodies but rather than involves the activation of antigen-specific T lymphocytes. So here the correct answer is T lymphocytes. Now the next question is, common cold differs from pneumonia in that, first option, pneumonia pathogen infects alveoli, whereas the common cold affects nose and respiratory passages but not the lungs. Option 2, pneumonia is a communicable disease, whereas the common cold is a nutritional deficiency disease. Option 3, pneumonia can be prevented by aleve attenuated bacterial vaccine, whereas the common cold has no effective vaccine. Option 4, pneumonia is caused by a virus, while the common cold is caused by the bacterium Haemophilus influenzae. Now the correct answer will be option 1, pneumonia pathogen infects alveoli, whereas the common cold affects nose and respiratory passages but not the lungs, because the common cold is a viral disease which is caused by viral infection of the upper respiratory tract like nose and throat, whereas pneumonia is an inflammatory condition of the lung affecting primarily the microscopic air sacs known as alveoli. Now the next question is, Widal test is carried out to test option 1 typhoid fever, option 2 malaria, option 3 diabetes mellitus and option 4 HIV or AIDS. The correct answer will be option 1 typhoid fever. The Widal test is a serological diagnostic test for typhoid fever. In this test, typhoid causing bacteria, that is Salmonella typhi, are mixed with serum containing specific antibodies obtained from an infected individual. Now the next question. Cirrhosis of liver is caused by the chronic intake of, the options are 1 cocaine, opium, alcohol and tobacco chewing. Here the correct answer will be option 3 alcohol, because cirrhosis is an abnormal liver condition in which there is irreversible scarring of the liver. The main causes are sustained excessive alcohol consumption, viral hepatitis B and C infection and fatty liver diseases. However, there are many possible causes. People with cirrhosis may develop jaundice, like yellowing of the skin, eyes and tongue, itching and extreme tiredness. So here the correct answer is option 3 alcohol. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful if you enjoyed this one.